HopZine. Thanks for joining me for another video beer review. This time we've got a can of beer from Belching Beaver in San Diego, California. This is their Phantom Bride, brewed in collaboration with Deftones, the band. This is a 7.10% ABV. 7.10? Strange. 7.10% ABV IPA, hopped with Amarillo, Citrus, Simcoe and Mosaic. This is the first of the beers that Belching Beaver did with Deftones. I've already reviewed the second one, which was really good. Called for Swerve City, I think. It's really nice. Excuse the Brewdog branded glassware. Beer in the glass, very pale. I go hazy. It's not murky, but it's definitely hazy, pale golden beer. Pure white foam on top. Let's give it a swirl and sniff. Check out the aroma. That's lovely. Oh, this is holding up so well. I don't know when it was canned. I don't think it's mega fresh or anything, but they've only just come in and been air freighted over from America, so it should still be doing very well. And they smell great. I mean, this is just a big, lovely combination of dank hops on that Simcoe and Mosaic, and then the fruitiness of Citrus, Amarillo. Beautiful. And as far as those individual components, I'd say you're getting kind of like fresh pine, kind of dandelions, definitely bay leaf, and kind of kaffir lime to a certain degree. In that sense, it's slightly spicy and herbaceous. But then loads of grapefruit, and slightly overripened pineapple, sweeter orange. It smells great. It smells damn good. As I said, it's that combination of sweet fruit. I'm going to say passion fruit as well. Maybe a hint of raspberry. I think that smells amazing. Yeah, wonderful combination of dank and citrus. Wow. Let's dive in. Cheers. Oh, yeah, fantastic. Fantastic. It does take me back before the kind of like the craze of New England IPA kicked off. This was the kind of beer that you'd be going nuts for. Balanced, but a good amount of bitterness, but loads of hop flavour, loads of hop. I mean, it's got that orange juice, but then lots of orange pith as well. Yeah, loads of grapefruit, lime flesh. It continues where it left off. Now I'm going to say papaya and melon, and loads of grapefruit, hitting that danker side of grapefruit. Certain hint of Parma violet in a good way though, slightly floral. I think that's what I'm picking up in that sense. Nice kind of soft mouth.